I am here today to talk about public safety, because public safety is our #1 priority. And today we are helping 17 counties, California counties, to improve their disaster readiness. And I always said that emergency preparedness before a disaster strikes is just the most important thing. And this is why we are providing $2 million from our federal Homeland Security funds to install telephone emergency notification systems up and down the state of California, including here in Tulare County. Our action means that we will soon be able to supply immediate, life-saving information to residents in every county in California before, during, and after a disaster or an emergency. This includes instructions, evacuation orders, or clear notifications. The technology is similar to the reverse 911 system that was used just in the firestorms last year and also recently in the Summit Fire in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And it is designed for use in any natural or man-made disaster. We announced in December that we were making this money available, and I'm so thrilled that my Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Services worked with the counties to begin implementation of this system in just 5 months. This is crucial because last year's devastating fires was a reminder again of how dangerous it is when we don't have a good communication system, and the dangers that we are actually also facing. California came together at all levels of government last year, if it is the state, the federal government, or locals, even the smallest regional districts. And with our fantastic mutual aid system, we rose to the challenges of one of the biggest disasters in the state's history. So what a heroic effort. California has the best, the bravest, the toughest, the most selfless, the best equipped firefighters in the world, but they must be supported 100%. That's why I fully funded CAL FIRE in my 2008-2009 budget this year, and we're working to implement an emergency response initiative. This is expected to generate nearly $70 million for emergency response next year, and it will help us fund more engines, more equipment, and more staff. Making sure that we have enough money to respond to our emergencies is exactly why we need also to fix our dysfunctional budget system. We always spend all the money when we have a surge in revenues, and then we don't have a rainy day fund in this state to go and supplement the shortfall in revenues when we have bad years like right now. I think that especially with emergency services, we need stable funding. But we also know we need stable funding for all other agencies. If it is prison, if it is healthcare, if it is education, they deserve stable funding. It is really irresponsible for the state of California and for Sacramento to send these people of California and all those agencies on a roller coaster ride where everyone has to hold on for dear life. So let's urge the legislatures to go and to fix the budget system once and for all.